Welcome to our training video. By the end of this session, you will know exactly how to export products from IDMC to your store for a seamless experience. Let's get started. Once you have logged into your IDMC dashboard, look towards the left side and find the Products section. When you click on Products, you will see an option for Store. Go ahead and select Store. After you click on Store, a new window will appear displaying the product management area. Here, you'll find options for how you want to export. You can select all products at once if you want to export everything, or you can choose your desired products for a more targeted export. Look towards the top right side and select the Export button. Now you will be prompted to export products from IDMC to your store. Make sure your store is set as your primary domain on IDMC. Select the Proceed button. Once you've made your selection, this will start the exporting process, and you'll see a message confirming that your products have been exported successfully. Take a moment to view your products on your Store Products section to confirm export. If you see your products listed, congratulations! You've successfully exported products from IDMC to your store. If you need any help, please reach out to our support team, who will be happy to assist you.